In this video, we will be seeing what is static block in a Java program. So before going to static block, let's once again see what is static keyword used for in Java. So the static keyword is different from static block. So first, static keyword when used with members of class like data member or member function, then the members are not bounded with objects. The static members are not bounded with objects. So here, static members are not bounded with objects and they are given memory only once in the starting at the time of initialization. So at the time of declaration and initialization, whatever memory is given in the starting, the same is used throughout the program with the static member. So if a variable is static, the variable uses the same memory which is given to it at the time of declaration throughout the program, and no need of object for accessing this data member or variable throughout the program. It can be either accessed with the class name in which it is present, or if it is in same class in which it is used, then no need of even class name. We can directly use the variable name to access it. So no need of object. It is not bounded with object. And the same with the member function or method. When it is declared static, it is not bounded with object. We can directly access it with the class name in which it is present, or if it is in same class in which it is used, then only the member function name we can use to invoke or access it. Now static block is nothing but a block is a block of statements when written within the curly brackets, opening and closing of curly brackets, then it is called a block. So a block which is containing statements like this. So this is called block, and when it is declared as static, then this static block will be executed before the main method which is present in the program. So let's see here. Suppose we have a class. So class student, and the class starts here and it ends here. Now suppose we have the public static void main method, and in this public static void main method, we are having a statement system.out.println that prints hi. Now this program, if I execute by removing this static block, then I will be getting hi printed on the output screen. But if I keep the static block, and in the static block, if I keep the statements, like if I write here welcome. Now in general, every time when we execute the program, the compiler will be searching for the main method, and whatever present in main, that gets executed. But when we have static block along with the main in the same class or in the program, then this static block will get executed first and then the main method gets executed. So when executed, this program will give you output. First welcome will be printed and then hi will be printed, because static block executed before the main method. So let's see it practically in Eclipse IDE. Here in Eclipse IDE, I have already there a student.java file in which I have a class student in which I have public static void main method. Now I am writing here the system dot out dot println method to print hi on output screen. So if I execute this program, I will be getting the output as hi. But if I keep here a static block, and if I keep this println statement here with some welcome message, and now if I execute, the program, then I get welcome and then hi printed on the output screen. So the welcome is coming from static block because it is executed before the main method. The welcome is first printed and then the hi string is printed. So static block when used in a Java program, it is the block which is executed first. So we can say sometimes without the main method also we can execute Java program using the static block because static block gets executed before the main method. So thank you for watching the video, and for more information on Java topics in detail, please do subscribe the channel, and you will also find other computer programming languages on this channel. So please do subscribe channel.